This is hurting the gardening industry and especially garden centers. And we see this on our social media platforms where people will see a plant and go, I want that plant. And it's some unbelievably out of the world, doesn't exist plant. I'm able to pick it up very quickly and know that it's fake. But garden centers are getting bombarded by people bringing in screenshots going, I want to grow this plant. And they are informed that it is an AI and it doesn't exist. You want to be aware if you see something that's too good to be true, there's ways of reversing image checking on it. And there are certain people, whoever they are, whatever they are, if it's computer, whatever, that specifically do this to create havoc in garden groups online in certain areas where you will do a reverse image search and it's been posted like 35 times across multiple social media platforms.
Right. So let's talk about a couple things to know if it's real or not. One is there a botanical name? So if it's something like you see, I don't know, a purple rose, that might be a thing. A rainbow rose, right? Yeah. Is there a botanical name for that particular plant? And if there's not, you can't find anything, because every seed that you buy on like a reputable seed website, it will have typically some sort of information, whether it be the botanical name or the variety. It's not going to just be like... Oh, and also it doesn't have... on these fake sites, rare, 10 left in the world. There's 5 reviews. They're all 5 stars, and it all says, great plant, will buy again. Right, yeah. So there's one thing is the botanical name. Images. Images, the soft, blurry background that often indicates they were made by AI. It's not crisp. It's not like you would take a picture in the garden. There's a very distinct... pattern of imagery that is depicted that I can pick out, and some people can, where that is strictly 100% AI. And here's the other thing. If we're talking about AI, we see these images on social media where it's a young couple, 1954, and now it's 2025 and they're old couple. And it's like the same image, but it's just kind of morphed a little bit. And it's totally, and people are just sharing it like, oh, it's such a great love story. It's like they believe it's really true. I mean, it could be a true love story, but it might not be those people. Yeah.